Greetings, good afternoon, greetings, good afternoon, dear friends. One of the commonest objections I hear from my students and friends about meditating is the fact that I don't have time. You know, we're all so busy that the idea of taking time out just to literally pause and sit and do quote unquote nothing, that really can feel like a waste of time, or like it's something so out of a lot of my students' way of being that they just cannot imagine ever being able to sit still just for 2 minutes even and practice and meditate. So if that sounds like you, I really want to encourage you that taking there's an old time quote that says if you're too busy to if you haven't got enough time to meditate for 2 minutes and you need to do like 2 hours or something weird like that, something like that. So I just really want to just show you that you don't have to have bags and bags of time to meditate to experience the benefits of stress release. You can get something in as short as 5 breaths, seriously, okay? So let's just do this very short 5 breaths meditation, breathing meditation. And as you know, I strongly believe that learning how to breathe correctly, using your breath as a guide to how you feel during the day, is the fastest and easiest way to de-stress. You have to calm the nervous system and to get that sense of calm and clarity back. Right, so in 5 breaths, I guarantee, whoa, big guarantee here, I guarantee in 5 breaths you will feel a shift in your energy. Alright? So, I invite you to find a comfortable position. I'm sitting on a yoga block, but you can sit on a chair. You can even do this lying on your bed before you go to sleep or when you wake up. Make sure you feel comfortable and get a sense of lengthening the spine. Relax the shoulders. And then just softly take a full breath in and a full breath out. And I invite you to repeat that movement, taking that full breath in and that full breath out for 5 full breaths. And each time you take a breath, just say to yourself, I'm calm. Okay, so we're going to do it together. We're going to take 5 breaths, and a breath is in and out. And as you breathe in and out, just say to yourself, I am calm, or just say the word calm, whatever rocks your boat. Okay, so making sure you feel comfortable. Let's go. Well done. How did you get on? 5 breaths, breathing in and on the out breath saying I am calm, or just saying the word calm. How did you find that? I feel a shift in my energy, and I really hope you do too. Do let me know in the comments below how you found that meditation, that brief break from the busyness of your day. Just 5 breaths, breathing in, breathing out, I'm calm. Okay, so Ntathu here from Yoga Inspires in London. I'm wishing you a beautiful rest of your day, and trusting that you'll find time in the busyness of your day just to breathe 5 breaths in and out. I'm calm. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care, dear friends. Lots of love. Namaste. Cheers. Pause. Oh, cheers.